Hey, I've got a great upgrade here on your lighting. This is a 12 pack of these disc LED lights. This is by Parmida Technologies. You're getting 12 of these in the package. Make sure you register these. They're gonna give you a 5-year warranty. The thing that I love the most about these is that they truly are a universal install. You can install these any way that you want. They give you a bunch of these wire nuts. Wherever you can screw a light bulb in, you can screw this in. This is the adapter. They give you the little wire nuts. So that's the first, probably the easiest way to install these. If you want to install these in recessed canister lighting, they do give you a bunch of these. This is going to allow you to hang that light in there. The tabs just lock in. Very easy to install. What if you want to go ahead and put this right flush with your junction box? Well, check this out. If you've got a 4-inch or a 3.5-inch junction box, here's the holes for that. You can do that. If you got a 2 3/4 junction box, those are right there. There's your mounting holes right there. One there and one there. And then for your 2 3/4, there's one there and one there. So I've got this screwed into a lamp just to give you an idea of how bright these are. That's 5,000 Kelvin. And you can see you've got 12 of these things, so you're gonna be able to light up a room. They're very bright, easy to install. They give you all the hardware for multiple types of installation. So the brand did send these to me. This is my honest opinion. I definitely would have no problem recommending these. Just for the brightness and the versatility aspect and the ease of installation. You're not gonna have to be running back and forth to the hardware store to figure this out because they include everything in here for you. Super bright, definitely check these out. That's my quick review and thanks for watching.